Hello everyone, welcome to Workstatus. In this video, we are going to know about the invoice setting. For that, come up to the side menu, click on the settings and click under the invoice setting under the organization and department setting option. Once you are landed to the invoice setting, here you can see that you can set up a custom prefixes and the numbering for your invoices. You can assign a unique identifiers to the invoices that to ensure the smooth tracking and the simplified categorization of the project management system. Here you can see that the invoices prefix and suffix is given. You can click against that and then you can have it enabled, and you can even select the characters that you wish to have it done. You can click on the invoice number, that this is the invoice number that you wish to start the generation of the IDs from, and then you can click on save. Once this is done, the settings are done, and once you generate the invoices, it is the invoice number is going to start from the series from here, and if any suffix or the prefix is added, it is going to reflect accordingly. This was all about the invoice setting. Thank you.